So I think last class we discussed regarding cross company code, right? And company code is PSD. Yeah, this is our cross company code transactions we did, right? Today we'll go with integration. Okay, integration. As of now we work with only financial accounting level, right? So we work with financial accounting level. Financial accounting level, right? So there we did GL, then account receivable, then accounts payable. All these things we created under financial accounting only, right? Now we'll move to integration, and here we are going to. So what do you mean by integration? Integration means link between other module or department. As a finance consultant or finance employee, we need to integrate with MM, that is materials management, and SD. SD means sales and distribution. These two with the T, this department we need to integrate distribution. Okay, so MM or materials management is also called as purchase department of the company, where purchase related planning will be done. Purchase related configurations or purchase related planning will be done at MM level. Okay. So what is the reason to integrate finance with FI? So what is the reason to integrate with finance? Sorry, with MM. To FI with MM. Okay. To capture the expenses data. From MM. To capture the expenses data from MM. What is expenses? So what are the goods they purchased in MM level? We need to capture the data. We need to capture the data. Then what is the reason to integrate with SD, with FI and SD? Okay. So as a materials management, we are going to integrate with as a FI consultant, we need to integrate with FI and SD, right? So SD means SD. And what is the reason to integrate with SD? To capture the revenue or income data from SD. Usually sales department or SD department, they used to sell the product on behalf of company, right? Whenever we used to sell the goods, that is treated as a revenue. As a finance consultant, we need to collect all this data. So what is the use of collecting this data? What is the use of collecting this data? Use of capturing the data. So number one, by this data we can generate, means finance people can generate the profit and loss account, right? Profit and loss account, or it is also called as income and expenses statement, right? Income and expenses report or statement. Income and expenses statement, right? And we can track the payment from customer, that is AR, and payment to vendor, that is AP. With the help of collecting data, we can track the payment of customer and vendor as well. Okay. So that is a major use of integration. So why we need to integrate with other department? Because SAP will be used by big companies. SAP will be used by big companies. There are large quantity of data is there. There is a large quantity data will be there in big companies. So we cannot handle it manually, right? Or assume that we are having 5,000 customer, or assume that you are having 10,000 vendors. We cannot track the payment, right? We cannot track the customer records, or we cannot track the customer payment, how much he need to pay, how much he already paid. All this data we cannot track, right? That's the reason what we do. We are going to integrate with these two departments, that we can capture the data. We can capture the data and we can track the payment, or we can have the control on payment of our customer and as well as vendor. Okay, so what are the parameters we need to maintain? First, we'll integrate with sales and distribution. Okay, first we are going to integrate with sales and distributions. Okay, so what are the prerequisition, means what are the configurations we require to integrate with sales department or SD department? What are the prerequisition? That is what we call as prerequisition. First one, we require sales organization that we already created under enterprise structure, right? Hope you remember structure. Then distribution channel. Okay, this also we created under enterprise structure. Division also we created. Okay, then fourth one, centralized customer we require. Okay, customer, centralized customer we need to create, that is already maintained. Okay, then chart of account we require, that is also there. Chart of account is there. Chart of account already created. Then we require some ledgers. We'll see that which are all ledger required. Ledgers which is there and which is not there. Which is not there, we are going to create that one. Which is there, we will not do any changes for that particular ledgers. Okay, then ledgers and sales organization. Okay, these are the prerequisitions. So already many things we are having already, and the remaining things we will create now. Ledgers I am not having, I think all ledgers we are not having, we will create that one. Then so here in SD, so we are going to link our GL with account keys. We are going to link our GLs with accounting key. So with the help of accounting key, with the help of accounting keys, values get posted to GLs. Value get posted to GLs. Okay, value get posted to GLs. So I'll show. Then so what are the revenues we are expecting from sales and distribution? So what are all revenue or data we are expecting from this department. So first one, we require revenue, right? Sales revenue. We require sales revenue. Then freight revenue. We require, what is freight? Freight means our transportation, right? Transportation means, assume that we are in Bangalore, my customer is in somewhere in Delhi or Mumbai. We need to transport the material from Bangalore to Mumbai, right? Bangalore to Mumbai or Delhi, like that. To transport that particular material, we require the transportation services. Either we need to hire the transportation services, or if you are having our own transportation company, through that company we can transport the material, right? The transportation charge is called as freight. The transportation charge is called as freight. So that is another type of income. So that is what we call as freight. Then rebate, sales rebate. Then fourth one, sales deduction. It's not a revenue, but it is one kind of a thing or one data we require from sales department. Then output tax. Output tax or output GST. Hope you remember GST. While creating GST, we had maintained 3 output taxes and output GST, right? Okay, these are the data we require from GST department. Okay. For this data, we are going to link our chart of account. We are going to link our chart of account, sales organization, then accounting key, then accounting key also there. One more thing we need to know, that is AAG. 2 AAGs is there. AAG. What is AAG? So AAG means account assignment group. So we are having 2 AAGs. Okay, we are having 2 AAGs. So first AAG is related to customer. This is account group for customer group, or is also called as customer group. Okay, what is the use of customer group? Means we are selling the products, we are selling the product to which customer? Product to domestic customer, or we are selling the product to domestic customer or foreign customer, right? We need to bifurcate this, right? Domestic customer or foreign customer, right? Means we are selling the product to my local customer or outside India customer. So that is very important. That is the reason we need to assign this group. Okay. So selling the product to whom? Then we are having one more account assignment group. Here this is what we call as material group, right? So we are selling the product to my customer. Which materials we are going to sell? Which material? Either we are selling trading goods or finished goods. We can sell only 2 types of material to my customer. We can sell only 2 types of material to my customer, either trading goods or finished goods. So what is the difference between trading goods and finished goods is, finished goods means we are selling our produced goods. Okay. So what are the goods we produce? That we are selling to our customer. That is what we call as finished goods. We are having one more material type, that is what we call as trading goods. Trading goods means sometimes what will happen, customer is asking for some material which is not available in our stock. Sometimes what will happen, customer is ordered some material which is not available in the system or which is not available in the storage, right? Then what we need to do, we are going to purchase that material with some other party and we are going to sell that product to my customer, because I don't want to lose my customer. That is what we call as trading business. Means we are doing the trade. We are not the manufacturer of the product. We are selling someone's product. Someone's product. Just we are doing the business. That is what we call as trading products. Okay. Here we are not the manufacturer. On that time it is considered as a trading goods. Okay. Finished goods, we are selling our produced goods or our own products we are selling, but trading goods we are not selling our own goods. Here we are going to sell someone's product because we don't want to lose our customer. So customer is asking for that material which is not available in our premises or in our storage. Then that time we are going to use this option, trading goods. Okay, these two kind of materials we can send to my customer. The first account assignment group is related to customer. Second one is related to material. Okay, so we need to mention I'm selling this product to this customer. I'm selling this product to this customer. So in that combination we need to mention. So whenever any transaction happens, as I told you, here we are going to assign our GL to accounting key. So after this account assignment group, for sales revenue there is a accounting key called ERL. Accounting key called ERL. So ERL means that's revenue. That's a standard accounting key which maintained by SD department. For that we are going to assign our ledger. Then this is for ERF, freight revenue ERF, sales rebate ERU, then sales deduction ERS and MWS. So these are the accounting key which maintained by SAP. Okay, either we can use as it is or we can create our own accounting key. Usually in real time what will happen, SD people or SD consultant used to create all these things. Okay, because here I am not having any SD support. That's the reason what I do. I'm going to use the same, or this is a standard one I'm going to use. Okay, but in real time, SD people can create their own accounting key. Okay. So assume that for sales revenue account, for this ERL, I'm going to assign this revenue, or this is GL. This GL I'm going to assign to this revenue account. Okay, whenever any sales happens, with the help of accounting key, that value get posted to this GL. So sales will be done by SD people, right? Sales will be done by SD people. Then accounting key is going to link with this parameter. I'll show that on. And for that accounting key, we are going to, as a finance consultant, we are going to assign this GL. Okay, whenever any transaction happens or sales happens, that will come to this account. Like that, any freight revenue comes, for this accounting key I'm going to assign GL. With the help of this accounting key, that value get posted to that particular ledger. When any transaction happens SD, that we can see in finance department. Okay, we'll go to system and we'll check whether which are all ledger is available. Okay, first I'll go to sales account group. There I'm having, okay, revenue account we are having, no problem. Other income, sale of asset, profit on sale of asset. Okay, I require two ledger here. One is freight revenue and sales rebate. We're going to create here. Okay. Create GL account for freight revenue and sales rebate under other income group. Okay. Create, and I'll take 300210. I'll take, and PSD number. Company code is PSD. Press enter. Account group, other income group. Then P&L account. Freight revenue. Control data. it's a normal account. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Click on create bank or interest G001. Save. Okay, I'll copy that one. So copy to 11 and sales rebate. Okay, then one more ledger I require, that is sales deduction. We are already having the revenue, that's the reason I'm not creating again. Sales deduction, I'm going to create in increase or decrease in stock group. You click on create 300400, enter. Account group, increase or decrease in stock group, P&L account, sales deduction account, control data, select only balances in local currency, select line item display, sort key 001, click on create bank or interest 001. Save. Okay, then we're going to create one more account, that is output tax. Output tax will be created under duties and taxes group. Okay, you click on create 401000, company code PSD, enter. From group, duties and taxes, P&L account, output tax account. Control data, select only balances in local currency, select line item display, sort key 001, click on create bank or interest G001, save. Okay, now once again I'll go to enterprise structure. There I'm going to check whether sales organization distribution channel is there or not. I'll come to IMG level, enterprise structure, we're going to assignment here, then sales and distribution. I'll check this one, assign sales organization to company code. Okay, I'll check with PSD. Yes, PS01 is my sales organization that has been assigned to company code. Okay, no changes here again. And I'll check with setup sales area. Okay, position PS01, PS01, sorry. Yes, it has been assigned, as we are having two distribution channel and two divisions, that has been assigned to sales organization. Okay, so I'll come back. Okay, then I'll see assign sales organization, distribution channel and plant. Position PS01. Okay, we are having two distribution channel, one plant, right? That has been assigned to our sales organization. Okay, this assignment enterprise structure is over, organization structure is ready. Then I need to check whether customer is there or not. So I'll go to XD03 and I'll check whether it is there. We have created customer. I'll check with this one whether it is there. No, customer not created for sales. Okay, for that I need to do some configurations in the background, as we discussed centralized, how to create the centralized customer, right? Centralized customer means we need to assign the partner determination. Partner determination means in customer we are having different functions of partner, like sold to party, then ship to party, then bill to party, then payer. So these are the activities, or these are the partners in customer, right? So sold to party means they are selling the product to customer. Ship to party means shipping of product to customer premises. Bill, after shipment we need to post the bill or invoices. Then payer, who is going to pay that particular amount. This is a partner determination or partner functions which is having in customer side, right? So what we need to do for these functions or for these activities, we need to link our group. What are the group we created? The customer group, right? We created, I think we had created PSDC, that is domestic customer group, right? Domestic customer group. Then PSEFC, that is foreign customer group, and PSOC, one-time customer group. Customer group, right? These are the three groups which we created under our company code. But I don't know, in new server I created only one group. Let me check. Okay, so after that, after assignment of all these things, we'll come to easy access. There I'm going to XD01. So there XD01 I'll go and I'll create customer. Okay, I'll come to IMG, sales and distribution, basic function, then partner determination, setup partner determination. Setup, already we did this step. Setup partner determination. Double click on setup partner determination for customer master. Then click on or double click on account group for function assignment. Double click on function assignment. And click on new entry. And I need to mention partner function as ESP, that is sold to party, and PSDC. Okay, then again ship to party, assignment group, bill to party, payer. Only one group or okay, one group is there, that's it. I created only one group because server has a problem with the server, no, that's the reason. All configurations I did newly in new server. Okay, that's the reason I created only one group. So that I assign with this partner function. Okay, save this. Okay, so after this configuration I'll come to easy access, accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, master records, maintain centrally, XG01 create. Then account group, PSDC, and customer column leave blank because the system will take the number range automatically or number automatically. Company code PSD, sales organization PS01, distribution channel 01, division R1. Press enter. Here I will give the title as company and PSD, CNT of customer. I will give the customer name as like this. Okay, I will input the address. City Bangalore, country India, region 10. Okay, then I will go to company code data and I am going to assign my reconciliation account here, sundry debtors, sort key 031, that is customer number, customer cash management group E2, that is E2. I think interest indicator I not maintained, I will take standard one. Okay, payment transaction PS3T, tolerance group PSD. Okay, and correspondence I don't think so. Dunning, not yet done, I think. No, Dunning is not there, so I can use this one, no problem. Then if you observe, we are having one more option called sales area data. click on sales area data. Okay, running I can't be used. So, sales area data. Okay, sales office, I think we have created sales office, not maintained. Sales group, I will take this one. Okay, sales office automatically picked up. Then customer group, no, not required. Then pricing procedure is required, customer pricing procedure, that is standard one I'll take, and remaining thing is not mandatory. I'll go to shipping. Okay, we are getting error like this, so that is office 1001 is not defined to sales area. Okay. So I'll go to enterprise structure again. Okay, what is saying? Sales area. Okay, this is not done. Sales office to sales area. That's the reason we are getting error. No, this is not that. Okay, click on new entry. Yes, O1 distribution channel 1. Yes. And now to this one, this is asset. Okay, click on shipping. Delivery priority, so I'll select high or normal, anyone. Shipping condition again 0 to standard. Billing document, info terms, CFR Bangalore, terms of payments, PS3T. Edit control area, no, not yet created. Okay, then I'll save this. Okay, then I'll go to XD02. These are the data which is picked by system automatically. Press enter. Go to partner function, and here SP, that is sold to party, and I'll copy this number and paste it here. SH PP PY. Save. Okay, now it has been created. Okay, next one, we need to integrate with ESD department. For that I need to go to IMG level again. I'll go to ESD, sales and distribution, basic function, account assignment or costing, revenue account determination. Okay, see here, click on assign GL accounts. T code is VKOA. Double click on customer group or material group. Customer group or material group. New entries. Okay, here APP means applications. If you press F4, you will get many data. Okay, so we will get purchasing date, application, DI warranty application, sales and distribution, COPA. Many applications will be available from or in which module or in which applications you are going to integrate. So here I am going to select V. V stands for that is sales and distribution, right? With V, then how you are going to integrate with SD. So you are having a condition type with account determination, means we are going to link our GL. This is what we call as account determination. Chart of account we created in financial accounting level. So I am selecting PSC, I think. Then sales organization, just we saw the sales organization PS01. Then account assignment group, as I told you, first one account assignment group is related to customer and second one is related to material. First one will place a 4. Okay, so we are getting the revenue from domestic, right? So domestic I'll select, and for domestic customer, what are the goods we sold? Finished goods. And with the accounting key, as I told you, there is a predefined accounting key is there. Predefined accounting key. For revenue we are having ERL. I'll select revenue, and for revenue account we are having revenue account, sales revenue. Okay. Then again, application V, there is sales and distribution, KOFI, PSCA, that is my chart of account, PSO1, 01, that is again I am selling the product to my domestic customer, and now I am selling trading goods. Again it is considered as a revenue. Whenever any trading goods has been sold, that has come to this account. Okay. If I am selling the finished goods, the same account. If I am selling trading goods, the balance should comes under this level. Okay, this DL. Now again, KOF5, PSCA, then PSO1. Now I am going to sell my product to my foreign customer. I am going to sell finished goods. Again, whenever any transaction happens to foreign customer, then balance should be appear in this particular GL. Again, KOF5, PSCA, PSO1, foreign customer, and trading goods. ERL, same. Okay, any revenue comes from maybe domestic or foreign, that can be seen in this particular ledger. Okay. So just reconnect. We'll discuss further. So in the same manner, again application V, account determinations we are going to integrate with. Then chart of account PSCA, PSON. Now again domestic customer, finished goods. Now this time freight revenue. So if I am selling the product, right, then I need to transport, right? Transportation, this is one kind of revenue. KOFI, PSCA, PSO1, 0101 ERF. 01, first one is for domestic and trading goods. Same account, 300 210. Then PSCA 01, sorry, 02, 03 ERF 00210. KOFI, PSCA, PSO1, 0201 ERF 00210. Okay, if any freight revenue comes, you can able to see in this particular GL. In the same way, KOFI, PSCA, PSO1, 0103 rebate, ERU stands for rebate, 300211. KOFI, CA, PSO1, 0101, ERU again, that is sales rebate, PSO1, 0203 ERU. The next one, this is rebate. Then we'll go to deduction, sales deduction. KOFI, PSCA, PSO1, sorry, 0110, 0103 ERS 300400. Again, KOFI, PSCA, PSO1, 0101 ERS